Well, statistics do not lie. If you are in the market to buy or sell a home in the greater Seattle area, you want to look at the raw data. You want to know what is the current statistics saying. And so here we are for the month of October in 2022. We are seeing that over 35% of the homes in the greater Seattle area are selling at or above asking in 7 days or less. So that is actually, from a historical perspective, still really good news. The other thing we're looking at is if you're trying to determine, should I buy right now? Should I sell? You're probably asking yourself, what about interest rates? What are they going to do? What about home values? And to answer those questions, we don't have a crystal ball. So we rely on the economist to tell us, the experts, so that we can make informed decisions. And what the experts say and what the data says is that since 1980, when we go into a recession, interest rates have always gone down. And most economists believe that we are headed to a recession, either shortly or we're in one right now. And so they're expecting interest rates to go down in the next year, just like they did since 1980 in every recession. So that's important to know, is that interest rates will go down. The other thing about home prices is what are the economists saying? What's going to happen this year? And if you poll all the economists, on average, they say about 4 to 5% decrease in value for 2023. But what's interesting is that if you ask them about, well, what about till 2026? They say that the most pessimistic of them all will say home values by 2026 will go up about 9%, 8.7. The optimist economist will say, well, they're going to go up about 43% in value by 2026. And so the average economist will say, well, by 2026, home values will go up 24.6%. And so what does that tell you as a consumer, as a buyer, or as a seller, is that if you can hold on to your real estate, or if you can buy a house now and be in it for the long term, you're probably going to do really well. So I hope that that's really good information. Message me for more information. I got exciting loan programs to talk to you about and some data that can point you in some positive directions that can help empower you to make decisions. All right, peace, everyone.